Welcome back to my YouTube channel, my dear friends. Today, once again, I am back with a new video. Hope you all are doing well. Today, in this video, I am going to talk to you on how you can speak better English, how you can speak very fluently in English. Dear friends, without skipping this video, please try to watch the full video. In this video, I am going to give you 10 concrete points, very effective points I am going to give you in this video, and without skipping, please do watch. Then you will understand how important it is to know English, especially in the present time. Dear friends, without much delay, let us get started. Number 1, imitate. Dear friends, through this point, what I would like to remind you is, I would like to take you back of your childhood. You know, when you were kids, your parents used to take you to the school, right? And they used to leave you there. And the teachers used to, teach us very nicely. They used to ask us to repeat rhymes, songs and all that, right? So similar way, dear friends, especially in the present time, lot of English speakers are there in the world. So it is up to you to choose. You have to imitate your favorite speakers. So in that way, if you continue to follow your favorite speaker, definitely, my dear friends, you are going to speak better English and very fluently in English, right? So we have to imitate. Suppose you are trying to imitate me, so that means you have to imitate me nicely, how actually I am uttering words, how actually I am making sentences, right? If you are able to imitate very carefully, definitely, my dear friends, one day you also can become a very good English speaker, and you also can speak very well like me. So it is very difficult, my dear friends. Being in the village, it is very difficult to learn. But if you are, dedicated, if you are, having lot of, energy and the courage, and if you are mad for this language, my dear friends, nobody can stop you from learning it. Number 2 is, don't learn word by word. Dear friends, I am not asking you to by heart each and everything. I am not asking you that you should understand each and everything when you are in the beginning stage. My dear friends, you should not be doing that. What you have to do is very simple thing you have to follow, that is, you have to read, and whatever sentences, whatever words you come across, you have to read them loud. You don't worry about your mistakes that you are making. You don't worry about the meanings of different words that you are coming across. So continuously you have to keep on working hard and trying to do whatever suggestions or whatever ideas I am giving you in order to improve your English. Number 3 is, use whatever you have learned immediately. Dear friends, our brain does not want to waste time much. Rather, it enjoys the present thing, whatever our brain sees. Through this point, what I would like to tell you is that whatever you see in your life, immediately you should make an effort to make sentences out of that particular object or out of that particular word. You don't worry about the grammars. You don't worry about how well you are making the sentences. You think about the present scenario. You think about the present, and whatever you see it in front of you, try to make sentences, and repeat the sentences that you are making. In that way, you will definitely improve, my dear friends. Suppose suddenly you see a cow in front of you and try to use the word cow and try to make sentences. So in that way you have to immediately make sentences. So it is not necessary that so after seeing the cow you will go back home, after that you will find out your dictionary and try to make sentences. No, it will be too late, my dear friends. So immediately you have to make use of the things that you see each and every day of your life. So this is also one of the ways through which you can improve your English. This is also one of the ways through which you can, sharpen your English. And in that way, you can definitely, my dear friends, I can guarantee you that you will be able to speak better English like me. Number 4 is you have to be like an actor, my dear friends. For the actor, what they do is they are given the script, right? And the actor and the actress, they go through the script, right? And after going through the script, they understand the whole story. And after that, they try to, practice by using emotions, whether they are getting it correct or not. That is how they present themselves before us, and by seeing them all we enjoy, right? So you also have to be like those people, practicing, making effort each and every day to improve your English. Number 5 is, my dear friends, you have to listen to others. You have to listen songs, you have to listen English commentary, you have to listen music and all that which are done in English. So listening also is one of the skills that helps one person, to improve his or her English. Dear friends, in this point I would like to share one of the incidents, which is very inspiring, my dear friends. A few years back when I was learning English, and one lady used to come and she used to cook for us, and many students, boys and girls, used to come and attend the class, and she used to come every day for cooking, and whenever we used to talk in English, she used to listen to us very carefully. My dear friends, you will not believe, she managed to learn after 2-3 years very good English. She did not go to school, my dear friends. She was not having her formal education. So after 2-3 years she learned very good English. See, my dear friends, listening also is one of the skills that will help you to improve your English, that will help you to speak better English throughout your life. Number 6 is you have to listen to yourself, my dear friends. Very often we are not worried about ourselves, how good or how bad we are. So if you are trying to speak, or if you are trying to sharpen your English, you speak to yourself, my dear friends. You plan out and make few sentences and try to read it again and again, and record it. And then after recording it, you listen very nicely whether you are sounding good or bad, or how bad or how good you are sounding. So this is also one of the points, my dear friends, to enhance your speaking capacity or speaking ability in English. Number 7 point is be visual, my dear friends, or become visual. Why I am saying this? When you are trying to talk about your house or the tree, right, and you are not aware of the words that are related to house and trees, so what you can do is you find out one suitable topic and search in the Google the related words for that particular topic. So in a minute Google will give you a lot of words related to that particular topic. So dear friends, so in that way also you can really improve your English. It is very practical, very easy, but if you are making an effort to do that, my dear friends, no one can stop you in learning English. No one can stop you in becoming a fluent English speaker. Number 8 point is narrate your life, my dear friends. Why I am saying this? Because you know a lot of things about your life. So why don't you narrate, my dear friends? You narrate. What is the problem? Narrate in your own words, very easily you can do it. 5 to 10 sentences you can write easily, and that will help you, my dear friends, to improve your English. So this is very important, but at the same time, if you are able to implement or utilize it practically, definitely, my dear friends, you are going to improve. Number 9 point is, my dear friends, you have to start singing. You have to sing English songs. The rhymes, the poems that you know so far, you have to sing it. So in that way, you can keep your brain busy, right? So start singing, my dear friends. If you are, not used to English songs and rhymes and all that, start singing. This is also one of the tricks that will definitely help you to improve. And the last one is, my dear friends, after doing a lot of things, what you have to do is, you have to ask your priority. What is your priority? What you would like to do in your life? You have to ask questions. So if you are a beginner, if you are really willing to learn English, right, you have to ask whether your learning is temporary or it is permanent. You have to ask questions to yourself. So after seeing me, if you get inspired, if you get lot of motivation and encouragement, so I am here to teach you and give you a lot of energy and motivation and all that. But ultimately, it is your duty to practice. So it is your duty to put into practice whatever ideas I am sharing in this video. So this was the video of today, my dear friends. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please do share and subscribe with your near and dear ones. Help them out in learning this particular language. So thank you so much, and see you in the next video.